So you're thinking about taking the Siebel Public Sector training course from the Siebel Hub. Here's some words about the course to help you decide whether the course is for you. Who is the course for? This course is both functional and technical at times. It is therefore suitable for a wide population of Siebel consultants. The key goal is to progress from a private sector to a public sector mindset, which means adapting to unique processes, unique concepts, unique features and functionality that exist only in the public sector and exist only in Siebel Public Sector from a Siebel family point of view. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at the kind of thing you'll learn about in this class. Siebel Public Sector, unlike any Siebel application you might have worked with before, you will meet the case entity. The case entity helps agencies and organizations manage cases involving citizens in need, for example, cases around benefits and allowances, or cases involving citizens who are believed to have been involved in some illegal activity, investigative cases. This is a very broad breakdown into two families, but Siebel Public Sector respects that breakdown, and much functionality is destined at either one or the other. However, as experienced Siebel practitioners, you will quickly identify those that would map onto both of them, or those that are really only suitable for one of those cases. The key takeaway from this slide is a lot of the entities and business components that you're familiar with today, you won't be working with in Siebel Public Sector. You'll be working with components that maybe you've never seen before. HLS case, PUB HLS incident, benefits, benefit plans, payment profiles, victims, offenders, offenses, allegations, circumstances, and many, many more, such as leads and evidence, which sound like you know what they are, but they're not the same things as you maybe saw in a private sector environment. So once again, we want you to be comfortable with the fact that Siebel Public Sector has a very different way of working. We want you to be familiar with processes that are nothing like the business processes you've seen before. We want you to understand what it means for a case to go to appeal. We want you to understand how to set up case approvals. We want you to understand the importance of a quality assurance plan for a case and how to build and execute assessments. For benefits cases, we need you to understand the difference between benefit plans and service plans, and the importance of being able to track data over time using what is known as effective dating. And still in the subject of time, the ability to account for time spent on a case, since time spent on a case is often used for auditing purposes. We'll also, in quite some detail, look at the key integration of Siebel Public Sector with Oracle Intelligent Advisor version 10 or version 12. And there's plenty of material in the class to explain the different ways to integrate and the different ways for you as a Siebel practitioner to get to grips with the connections between Oracle Intelligent Advisor and Siebel, both on a technical and a functional level. So now you know a little bit about the course, you can decide whether it's for you. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Myself and Alex will welcome you to the Siebel Public Sector course on Siebel Hub.